All right, howdy, and welcome back to another episode of the Addicted Motors Auction Review Chat. And today we have another P38. Just because. Now, I specifically chose this P38 because it was for sale before, and now it's back. About the same price too. So before we get all the way into it, I do a lot of these daily or weekly Rover specific auction chats, as well as other YouTube content of driving and not just narration. So please check out the rest of my channel, like, subscribe, do all that fun YouTube stuff, and follow me on Instagram if you want to see some more updates. So this particular Epsom Green P38 has low miles, so I'm immediately attracted to it, mostly because it's green. It has low miles. It's in California. But I don't like when I see vehicles come for sale again. And I like the word remarketing, right? That's the newest catchphrase that sales people are using for just basically saying used cars. But this one's a 2-owner, California truck, legitimate miles, Epsom green paint, nice tan interior. Not a whole lot of other description on this one. It's got okay tires, right? They did a good job at least documenting things that are wrong with it. It's at an auction, but being sold through a third party, so it wasn't like it was a dealer trade-in or anything, kind of like how we like to see. This is, they probably got it for cheap and are looking to make about probably a couple $1,000 profit, unless it's totally broken. So nothing whole, again, not much in the announcements to lead anyone to believe that it has any major issues, but something worth checking into. All right, let's look at the condition report. Presents nicely. It's got, a lot of documented little scratches and things like that. Nothing overly concerning, but it is worth reading into if you're looking to buy the car for itself. Hood latch is inoperable. Hopefully it's just broken off. You can still pull it with a set of vice grip. You've got some scratches. The sunroof doesn't close all the way. Running board's broken. The sunroof part's concerning, but there should be enough drainage there that it's not going right into the headliner. The headliner looked okay. Damaged running boards, don't really care all about that. Scratches, yep. Odometer, aftermarket. Don't know what that means. I think that might just not have been filled out, hopefully. In-op radio, pretty standard for P38s. ABS warning light on. Well, that's because it hasn't moved. It's probably as soon as you start rolling, and it's not at a dead stop, that will, once the wheel speed sensors pick things up, will go away. Not a whole lot else as far as disclosed details, but a fairly, thorough once over for the intake fellows that put in the information. So let's check out the pictures. Looks good. It's got Michelin tires, Epsom green paint. I looked at this because I kind of want it, right? That's why you're here and you're looking at this kind of stuff. And that one in the background, the silver truck, I think it's also for sale. I might have already done one on that. Slightly miscolored on the Range Rover badging on the front. Got the 16-inch base wheels. Again, this is a 4-liter truck, which, again, baser model, no navigations, 2000, 4-liter, all the stuff I want to see in a P38. No mention of air suspension, but I'm assuming, seeing how the ride height looks higher than a air-equipped one, I'm assuming it's already been converted. I'm zooming in here just because you can see there's just some fading on that bottom piece of plastic on the seat. It looks perfect until you zoom in, you notice it. But door cards look great. They always look great on P38s. I'm looking at the gauges here because, man, so many times I've seen cars idling. I can tell it's running, the RPM gauge is up, but they're overheating because they're just sitting there while they're doing pictures. This one looks fine, so just wanted to confirm that. It also had good HVAC control. The digital readout was not faded. Back seat looks great. There's your VIN stamp and everything. The engine bay looks fine. Got some green coolant in there instead of orange. Not the end of the world because it is extremely clean. I'd love to pull a Carfax and see the records on this thing. There's that sunroof opening. That could just need to be adjusted by hand. Might just need to be pushed in place. Wood, shifter console, everything, looks legitimate. I'd probably replace that plastic window switch panel with a faux wooden one. I think that would look pretty fun. What else? Yeah, like I said, it presents great. Nothing too cracked up. It's just pretty standard. It is buy it now. You can make a couple offers. It is in California, so it's probably about $1,700 or $1,600 worth of shipping to get it to the East Coast. But it's a fairly base model. It's clean. It's something I would probably roll the dice on if I was looking for a P38. So that's going to wrap up this video. Again, please like, subscribe, check out my other live videos where it's not just me talking. And if not, check back for the next auction review. Drop me a comment below. What do you guys think about this one? Would you buy it? Worth the risk? I think it probably would be. So catch you in the next one.